Hey YouTube, we got a package in the mail. It's a box of mannequins. I think it's 3 of them. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. Here's the box. They're pretty light. Let's rip off this tape.
Here, let him. Here, slide over. Let him use this space. Watch this. Let him use that space right there. Put it on. You got the water? All right. Let me know if you need help, bud. And what you do with these mannequins?
I'm gonna measure them, and then I'm gonna make so basically how to measure them, I'm basically just gonna draw an outline of them so that I can make clothes with them.
Yeah, I got some scissors right.
I need to make the pattern of the clothes, and then I get the fabric and make them and like sew them. Here's the bag.
So it's actually 4 of them.
Can I use that box?
Where'd you get them from?
Amazon.
How much they cost for 4 of these? About $15, $16.
About $15, $16. Here's one of them on the stand. There's other stands too.
Well, they do have to stand with them. They do have to stick with them. That's pretty cool.
This one doesn't have the stand on him right now. I'm just gonna lay him down. Which one's a boy? This one's a girl.
Hold on, Sam King. It's a mommy, daddy, brother, and sister. How about that?
So the kids come on the stands. The adults, they just come without the stand. But there are stands you would have to put the adults on, same as the kids. And it has the hole because, as you see, with the kids, there are holes that stick out of them into the hole of the stand.
Yeah.
So, oh man, they're movable. I'm gonna try to move this up a little bit. They're movable.
All their joints move. All their joints move.
All their joints move. Hands, wrists, elbows. Head. The head can turn. They're pretty good. They're wooden. I like them.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Stay tuned for.
Who bought them?
So what's your first project going to be about? Just going to make some clothes? Measure and make some clothes?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Tell Judy who's the one that brought them. Mommy? Huh? Mommy, gave them to him. Trace the what? You don't trace them in. You don't have to lay them down. You got your own hot chips. You got your own hot chips. You got your chips too. Oh my God. You got your own chips.
You got a learning curve, right?
Uh-huh.
Learning curve, but you ready for the challenge, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. Your mama gonna teach you how to sew, right?
Uh-huh.
And got a sewing machine, seamstress. Yeah. Well, get it. Stay tuned.